In the name of all, good evening to all of you wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time is 11 p.m. 1 minute past 11 p.m. Date is 17th of June 2024. This is part 4 for the forecast I did about, I believe, 4 or 5 days. Just let me check. 5 days ago I gave you forecast for 11 pair, which out of that 11 pair we had Bitcoin, Ethereum and gold. And I make 5 days ago this forecast, and this is the part 1. Part 2, as you can see, I tick them for you in green for the part 2, whatever it hit, and the rest when it was valid for the part 3 yesterday Sydney time. I went through all of them with you guys, and I make the part 3. The reason I make this part 4 is for Ethereum, only for Ethereum, that to explain to you, because Ethereum hit the level, but for the sake of the video I entered the trade for the second time, just to show you what I do is live chart, is live account, is not offline, and you can see what I do, and hopefully you learn how to trade and by looking out or watching this video that we have. Before I go to the chart, I explain to you guys in the name of who. Pause the video and read this, and I go to the chart and I explain to you guys. First, we say the Euro Australia still is valid and Pound Japan is valid. Let me see, Euro Australia still we need to see the price come into the selling zone, and we get a red signal. We can sell it to this level, which is level 1.63029, which I gave you 4 days ago. So and then we have another level for the Pound Japan for buy. Let me see the Pound Japan. Pound Japan is for buy, and we need to see the price coming to the buying zone. The level is here, 1.98.399, and I explained to you guys about buy and also for the sell. I'm not going to repeat. If you like, you can watch those videos we have about part 1, part 2 and part 3. So the main thing is Ethereum. Sunday, when I was explaining to you yesterday, Ethereum was actually hit the level for the buy and also went to the selling zone and hit the level, but as I have mentioned to you guys, for the sake of the video I entered the trade and I gave you the stop loss and I gave you the taking profit. If you have time, watch those videos. If you don't have time, in part 3, go to the 10 minutes point 16 second to 15 minutes point 18 second. I explain about Ethereum, what's going to happen to Ethereum. I go to the chart now. I've got a screenshot of that Ethereum. When I explained to you guys yesterday Sydney time, the price was here, my entry point was here, and I explained to you guys if price goes up to a stop loss, which is red line was a stop loss, and I mentioned if we have a candlestick green, we do not get panic to close the trade on loss. We will wait for the second candlestick to see what is happening. If the second candlestick is green, then we close it in loss, and then we will wait for another opportunity for recovery to this level. I have mentioned this on the part 3, you can watch it. And let me go to the chart now for Ethereum. When I explained to you yesterday, there was no price here, and I show you the screenshot before, and I explained to you about how it's going to happen. Let me going forward. This is live chart, by the way, is not offline. Okay, market went and hit the level of the stop loss, but we did not get panic to close it. As you can see, look at this shape of 2 candlesticks, one green and one red. Exactly what I have mentioned to you before. So we did not get panic to close it on loss because we had red candlestick, so still we are on the trade. Market hit again. As you can see, we have similar green and red, and one more time we have green and red candlestick with the signal. Unfortunately, I did not see this one, otherwise I would enter for the second time for this trade. And then we get another one, green and red, with another signal to enter the trade, and the market went up huge. Anyone with this candlestick would scare and would close a trade in loss, but I don't. I will wait for the second candlestick. As you can see, it's red, and you see market came down and hit my level, and this is my entry point, this is my taking profit. Okay, and I tick it for you. And this is live chart, it's not offline. As you can see, it's moving. Time now is 11:07 p.m. Okay, so this is live chart, live account. So if you like to learn how I do this, please go to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. We have all with this name and this logo. You can watch all those video upload. The YouTube channel, we have about 309 video, and all I've done is live chart, live account, and everything is live. So you can watch them and see what I do and follow us if you like, and try it with demo account. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information side. Don't get me wrong, we are not signal company. We are not after your telephone number, email, or membership. Nothing. Just watch those videos and learn how to trade free of the charge. We give you a signal to write on demo account. We are not responsible for your gain or loss. Before I go, please pause the video and read this. In the name of who, please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. Out of that 11 pair forecast I did for you guys 5 days ago, 9 of them came true, and we hit the level with a profit, and 2 of them still is valid. I think the ratio is quite good. So please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Thanks God, everything done is good. If I make another video, I'll try to find another pair for you in case tomorrow or sometimes this week. I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.